A school functions through a series of connected roles. The bawabu secures the gate so the mwalimu can focus on the classroom, while the mpishi prepares the meals that sustain the students on the uwanja. It is an ecosystem where the work of one person makes the learning of another possible. At the center of this system is the darasa, the classroom. This is where we find the mwalimu, the teacher, conducting the day's lessons. Behind the scenes, the mpishi, or cook, manages the tiko. Their role is vital to keeping the school community fed and focused. To describe these roles in action, we use the present tense. Mwalimu plus anafundisha gives us the teacher is teaching. Identifying these people and their current duties is your first step. It provides the vocabulary you need before you can begin to share stories about what happens during a typical school day. Sharing those stories often requires us to look backward to events that happened yesterday. To move our sentences from the present, sasa, to the past, jana, we apply a specific verb marker. We do this by swapping the present tense marker na for the past tense marker li. Mwalimu anafundisha becomes mwalimu alifundisha, the teacher taught. This single-syllable shift is the mechanism that allows you to place any affirmative action into the past. There is a different process for stating that an action did not occur yesterday. Contrast the affirmative, nilisoma, I read, with the negative, sikusoma, I did not read. We use the marker ku. Do not confuse this ku with the infinitive form, like kusoma, meaning to read. Here, it does not mean to. When this syllable follows a negative prefix like si, it acts purely as a past tense negator. Sikusoma translates directly to I did not read. We can shift action focus using the active voice, kutenda, mpishi anapika chakula. To highlight the object, we use the passive voice, kutendwa. The sentence reorders, replacing the final verb a strictly with wa. Chakula kinapikwa na mpishi. Pika simply becomes pikwa. Now try it yourself. Pause the video and look at this sentence. Wanafunzi alisoma kitabu. First, make it negative, then rewrite it in the passive voice. The negative form is wanafunzi hakusoma kitabu. The passive form is kitabu kilisomwa na mwanafunzi. These verb extensions let you choose whether the person doing the action or the thing receiving it is the most important part of your story. We will conclude with a rule for the UI noun class, which covers abstract ideas such as arguments or diseases. In the singular, these words often start with u, as in ugombi wao ulikwisha, their quarrel ended. In the plural, the u shifts to ma, magombi yao yalikwisha, their quarrels ended. This table brings our entire lesson together. It includes essential school vocabulary, past tense rules, and common verb extensions. Capture a screenshot to help you begin writing your own guided essays about school life. Combining these three layers, vocabulary, time, and perspective, gives you the tools to accurately describe the people and events that make up your school day.